Breaking news, ladies and gentlemen, the Pocket Rocket is back. Greetings, and salutations to all nation. Ladies and gentlemen, you know I'm Rastafari, soldier of People's TV, and if this is your first time tuning in, I'm asking you.
Hey, Chief Bruce, man, how you guys doing out there? We having a good time, man. We're right in Fort Lauderdale Beach.
A great relationship, ladies and gentlemen. Shelly Ann Fraser, Jamaica's fastest woman for the 2022 and the world's fastest in the 100 meter, has matched her best, ladies and gentlemen, when the World 100 meter champion delighted the fans at the Wanda Diamond League meeting in Paris on Saturday with 10.67 seconds victory to equal the world leading time. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Rastafari Soldier, and if this is your first time tuning in, I'm asking you hit that red subscribe button. I want to take this moment to big up all of the fathers them. I want to send a happy Father's Day to my dad, Delroy Renton. Yeah, big up yourself. All of my brothers. Yeah, I want to big up Marlon. Yeah, I want to big up Fiberdella. Yeah, I'm a real brother. Big up Sample and Master, Gary Yates. I want to big up all of my uncle Patrick, Uncle Busher, and all them Uncle Donovan, Tandine, Danny. Yeah, I want to big up Uncle Vin. Big up Uncle Patrick, may I tell you again, real uncle, real father. And I want to get back to the article here, but I just wanted to take the moment to give a shout out to all the real fathers. I want to big up all the father them. Big up all the father them. Yeah, big up on yourself. Now, Shelly Ann was unchallenged at Stade Charlety as she matched her time at the Kineo Classic in Kenya last month. She also beat Jamaican countrywoman and two-time regional Olympic champion Elena Thompson-Herah meet record of 10.72 set last year. The time is only 700ths off her personal best she ran last year to put her in third all time. Yes, Fraser Pryce, the 208, 212 Olympic 100 champion, is the only woman to ever break 10.70 seconds before July 1st in any year and is now the big favorite to win the gold medal at the next month's World Championship in Eugene, Oregon, United States. British Darlene Nita produced a second best time to finish second within the three-time Olympic gold medalist Marie-Josée Talou of the Ivory Coast, who missed the 100-meter medal by one place in Tokyo, finished third in 11.01 seconds, also season best. Now, Thompson-Herah is second in the world back at 10.79 on the Eugene track that will stage the World Athletics Champion in Oregon in 2022. Now, Fraser Pryce and Thompson-Herah could go head-to-head, people, in the 100-meter and the 200-meter at Jamaican Championship next week. Though the 35-year-old Fraser Pryce has been in the World Championship 100-meter as defending champion, Fraser Pryce was not matched last year to Thompson-Herah, including a 100-meter silver at the Olympics. The 29-year-old Thompson-Herah has been challenged by injury this season and has yet to race against Fraser Pryce in 2022. I came here feeling really good and like to run in the heat, said Fraser Pryce, who was jumping for joy in the aftermath of her performance that boosted her perspective to the successful world title defense in World Athletics Champion Oregon in 2022. I'm still training hard, so I'm now looking forward to national championship, and then afterward, she added, the plan and the aim is to make sure that I'm able to run 10.60 sustainably. At the last World Championship in 2019, Fraser Pryce became the oldest woman to win an Olympic or World 100-meter title. She will go for a 10th World Championship gold medal in Eugene, Oregon. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a column in World Track and Field. Mrs. Shelly Ann Fraser Pryce, Jamaica's own pocket rocket, has set the 2022 fastest woman record on the track right now for the 100-meter race. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Rastafari Soldier here of Deep Roots TV. It is my pleasure. I don't know if you can tell. I am elated. Everybody love Shelly Ann. All when Elaine our girl and Elaine beat her, we feel kind of sad. Everybody love Shelly Ann. Big up on yourself. All the fathers them, I want to tell them say, yo, happy Father's Day. It is a pleasure of mine to be able to say happy Father's Day to my daddy and my uncles and my brothers and all of the generals them out there. Thank you for subscribing to the YouTube. Thank you for leaving your comment. Yo, big up yourself, though, King. Happy Father's Day. Yeah, me I talk about Miguel. Big up yourself, Miguel. Yeah, big up all of the man them where subscribe to the channel, leave the comment, and very active. Mr. Gordon, big up yourself, family. Yeah, big up yourself. All of my uncles them will subscribe. But I'm telling you, Shelly Ann is the talk of the day on Father's Day. She has produced the world's fastest time for 2022 on 100 meter at 35 years old, ladies and gentlemen, going on 36. So there's nothing impossible. The pocket rocket is back. So big up on yourself, people. Share this one for me. Leave your comment. Let me know if you think that the 35-year-old Shelly Ann Fraser Pryce will beat the prime 29-year-old Olympic gold medal champion, two-time 100 meter, 200 meter, Elaine Thompson-Herah? Let me know, people. Big up on yourself, and one love.
Hello, my name is Asheen, and welcome to Deep Roots TV. Big up Deep Roots.